Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your chest pocket without that area folding. Yes, that your chest area folding. So if you've been looking for a tutorial on how to do that, then continue watching. What I'm holding, this is a chest pocket, or should I call it a pocket bag. We want to fix this, yes, on our native top for men. So now I'm not just doing on how to fix this pocket, but how to fix chest pocket for men when you're making tops for them. Senator top, you understand? When you're making senator top, you know, any top for men, guys, how you can fix pocket. Now, like I said earlier, it's not just this pocket, but this is the one we are using for the tutorial. So I'll show you the measurement you have to get, where you are supposed to start from, the allowance you're supposed to take from the placket side, So let's go. If this is what you're interested in, continue watching. This is our top. This is our top. This is the front side. Already fixed our placket. Please, if you've not seen the tutorial on how to fix this placket, you see how neat the placket is? If you've not seen the tutorial on how to fix this placket, please rush, go and look at it. Go and check it out so that you know how to fix this. So that it will come out this neat, okay? Like I said, even if you're making sewing with plain fabric or what, you still use the same method. So this is our placket. This is our pocket bag. This is our pocket. Now, here's how we're going to fix this. We are fixing this on the when you turn your shirt. Let's hold this down. When you turn your shirt the wrong way, you are fixing this on this left hand side. This is the way you wear your shirt or your top. The pocket is always on the left. You understand? Okay. You're fixing it on the left hand side. That's when you turn it on when the wrong side is facing you. Now let's turn it back to the right side. And when the right side is facing you, it looks like this is your right. But have it in mind that your pocket is supposed to be on the left hand side of your outfit, of your top. So you get the pocket like this. On this side where we have the bigger placket. Now from this beginning of the top, this is the shoulder area where the neckline started from. Not here, this place. You come down by 8.5 inches. So I just make a dot so that I won't stain the outfit. 8.5 inches. Then from this placket area, you go out by 1.5 inch. You mark it. Now for our pocket, the length we have is 5.5, while the width is 4 3/4. Now we are interested in the length. The length is 5.5, right? The length is 5.5. So from this place, we know. So this is where we are working. This 8.5 inches we came down. So from this place, we check. This is where we have our 5.5. We make small dots there too. Okay. Now remember we are going out from the placket area by 1.5 inch. We continue getting our 1.5 inch, our 1.5 inch, till we get to that 5.5 inches. Okay, this is where our 5.5 inches stop. We're going to stop here. So these are 1.5, 1.5. Please, if you notice this mark I'm making, my pocket bag is going to cover it this way. You see? So you not have to end up staining the clothes. Now, after doing this, look at the next thing you're going to do. You get your stay. This is our stay. You get your stay. See this side where you're going to fix this pocket. You turn it. You see that the stay we put earlier did not get to this side we are putting our pocket. You see where the stay stop. You cut your stay. You check where the this is where our pocket will be starting from. This place. Remember our pocket is starting from 8.5. Our pocket is starting from 8.5. That is here. And we said from our placket area, we went out by 1.5 inches. Here, one and to be here. This is the wrong side. So here now, this is the wrong side, remember. We put it like this. I'll take it over to the machine. I will make sure I put this side. And remember our pocket. Now our pocket will start like this. This is the wrong side. I'm just giving an example. Our pocket will start like this. So this whole area where we're going to sew on, we're going to put stay on it. Remember, this is on the wrong side. So I'll do this and come and show you guys. Okay, guys, this is it. I've fused our stay on it. You see it? Now, the reason for this is because when you are sewing, there are sometimes you see that you know that when you are sewing pocket, here will be squeezing. You know the reason why when you are sewing pocket, when you are fixing your chest pocket, you know the reason why when you are fixing your chest pocket, you will notice that this area will squeeze. Later, you now start using your iron to arrange it. No, do you know the reason? It's because you don't always put fuse stay at the back. That is the reason. So if you have not been doing that, you see, start doing it. So after that, we put, remember we took 1.5 inch space. You fix your pockets like this. Here, and this is our 1 inch. We just take it, just a dot. Please don't do more than a dot. Okay, so when you're done, you put it. The reason for those dots is so that um everything will be equal, everything will be straight. So after that, you get your pins, you pin it down. Okay, okay. So after pinning it down, this is what we have. Now we're going to go and sew. We'll sew like this. Let's sew. When you get to, you remember, see this design I put here is also here, like this thing here. So when you get to this first one, this side, you stop. And you don't bring out your needle. Make sure your needle is still inside. You turn it. So when you get to the other edge, which is here on this side, you also stop. You don't bring out your needle, you turn it. Okay? You sew again. Please, as you're sewing, when you get to where your needle is, sorry, your pins, you remove it. You get to this other edge, we stop, we turn again. Turn again. So, do you see what we have? We've not even ironed. You see the way here is relaxed. But I don't mean you didn't put stay. Here will come and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So You see the way our pocket is looking so demure, so beautiful. This is how to fix your chest pocket for a native top or a senator top. This is how to fix it. Now, another thing I want to let you know is that no matter how short your placket is, unless it's a very short placket, something maybe something here, just short something or something here. Unless that, don't make your pocket longer than your placket. Maybe you have a long placket or equal in length with your placket. You understand? Please. So this is how to fix your pocket, your chest pocket. So I hope you've learned something. Thank you.